extensively used in Indian households as a staple in food dishes, but do you know there are other benefits of ghee, ones relating to our body? A lot of people are unaware of the use of ghee oil for belly button and the multiple benefits of applying ghee in navel. Desi ghee not only improves the quality of our food, but it can also improve the quality of our body health. By applying a few drops of ghee in navel, we can improve our physical health in numerous ways. Ghee moisturizes our skin and keeps it healthy and glowing. Using ghee in the navel area ensures that it spreads to the rest of the body, owing to the interconnectedness of the navel region to the other parts of our body. Are you suffering from hair fall? Or is your hair too rough and weak? While you continue to use coconut oil to massage your hair, also consider using ghee oil for navel, which helps strengthen hair and reduces hair fall. Ghee in navel helps alleviate any kinds of pain that we are experiencing, especially in our joints. The navel is the central part of the body and the acupressure point, which spreads relief to other points in our body. As the navel is connected to the rest of the body in a very intricate manner, using Desi ghee in navel can help improve the texture of our face and skin. It helps with acne, reduces blemishes, softens our rough skin, and gives us a bright complexion from within. It is a more sustainable and organic replacement for all the chemical exfoliants and creams that many of us use. Another very useful benefit of ghee in navel is its ability to help fight constipation and alleviate any pain or discomfort in our abdomen. Our bowel movements clear up. And ladies, this is a great relief measure for your menstrual cramps. For applying ghee in the navel, grab a spoon and scoop some of the ghee out from the container. Heat it and melt it into a ghee oil. Then let it cool and pour it in your navel while lying down on your back. Use it before you go to sleep each night.